guys, today is Sunday, May 2nd. We are headed to Iron Dragon because we're going to film all of our kicking combinations for each belt rank. That's part of our requirements, that they need to know a specific kicking combination for each belt. And we're trying to get all of the requirements filmed and put on YouTube in case they want to practice at home. They can do that, and if they forget something, they can go back onto YouTube. So right now we're actually about to go through the car wash, and then we're gonna head to Dunkin' and get Tarzan a pup cup because he gets one pretty much every weekend, and then we're gonna go film everything at Iron Dragon. Kicking combination is an axe kick, and then the same leg is going to come right back up and do a side kick. Then you're going to switch and do a roundhouse kick. I just got done filming all of the kicking combination videos. I'm sweating a little bit because I had to do all of the kicking combinations to show them, but they are done and they're gonna be on the Iron Dragon YouTube channel soon. So if you're interested, you should go over there and hit the subscribe button and watch all of our requirements popping up soon. So I think the next thing I'm gonna do is the 1 steps in self-defense for each belt level, and then finish up the forms. I think I've gotten up to blue belt already over there. So we'll see. I'm gonna go home and edit these, and that will be it for today. Hey guys, today is Monday, May 17th, and we have a test this Saturday. So I'm gonna kind of take you through what all I do during the week to get ready for testing. So I just printed off all of our grading sheets. What we've started doing within the last couple of tests is giving these out to kids the week before so that they know exactly what they're going to be graded on. There's no surprises there. And that's for each belt level. So I've got 10 of each just because I forget how many people we have testing for each, and it's good to have extra. But I've got white, yellow, orange, and green because we don't have anybody going above the green belt at this test. So yep, I just printed all of those off. I'm also going to show you what I posted. So this is the Iron Dragon Instagram page. So if you scroll down here, I made this testing week announcement and I posted that on Facebook and Instagram. And then I made an Instagram story explaining testing week as well. Today is Tuesday. We stuck around a little bit later to clean the school. We're trying to do a little bit of cleaning on the weeknight so that we don't have to do so much on the weekend. And I also got our belt order together. So we've got a pretty good sized belt order. I think Louise is gonna go pick them up from our supplier on Thursday. We also need some little dragon boards, which we use the really thin boards for the little dragons because they're the 4 to 7-year-olds. But I'm gonna show you here's where we keep our belts. Within all of the belts that we have, which these are all the ones that we kind of like acquired when we took over the school. Obviously a ton of blue and purple. For everybody testing, we only had one of the size and color that we needed. So that's kind of how that's ended up working out, which sucks that we don't really have the belts that we need. Hopefully one day we'll go through all of those, but these are the ones that we are getting from our supplier on Thursday. Today is Friday, May 21st, and we are having our junior, teen, and adult belt test tonight. We're having the little dragon belt test in the morning. We're about to head over to Iron Dragon to set up for the belt test. We're having a class at 5 o'clock and then the test at 6 o'clock. But I wanted to show you one thing that I have here at home that we did for Iron Dragon. So we made these happy birthday postcards, and on the back it has our logo, and then it says happy birthday from Iron Dragon. We hope you have a great day, and we're able to write something underneath that. So we're sending these to all of our students during their birthday month, just to get them excited. So especially as a kid, it was so exciting to get mail. Now as an adult, it's exciting to get mail, especially if it's not bills, you know? So we're sending it to all of our students on their birthday month. So I'm at Iron Dragon now. It's about 45 minutes before the first class, and I'm gonna show you guys kind of what we've got going on. So we've got our full box of boards. These are technically called like demonstration boards. We use them for the little dragons because they're kind of easier to break. So you see like they're really thin and kind of, I don't want to call them flimsy, but like easier to help the little dragons out with. And then we've got our belts here, our whole bag of belts that we've picked up from our supplier. And then we also got some car magnets in. So we're really excited about these. We've been giving them out the last couple of days to our current students, and then we're going to give them, like when our new students sign up, they get a uniform. So we're gonna give them a car magnet as well, so that we can kind of represent around town. So we're going to, at the test tonight, make sure that everybody has one to put on their car. And then I'm actually gonna move this. So if you can see, we have a schedule change going on starting June 1st. We've changed a couple of things. So we used to have just both regular classes on Wednesday. Now the 5 o'clock is going to be a sparring class, and the 6 o'clock is going to be like a fitness class, which I'm super excited about. I'm gonna do kind of like a boot camp style class, and I'm just really excited about that one because that's kind of how I enjoy working out. And then we changed our Friday 5 o'clock, which was the sparring. We just switched those two. So this is the regular class, and then 6 o'clock is sparring. But for this fitness class, I ordered like 6 jump ropes so that we can warm up with jump ropes. I also ordered some battle ropes, but they're not in yet. I'll show you guys when they come in. But I'm super excited for that. So you can see we've got all those jump ropes there. So that is everything I was gonna show you guys. I'm about to write up all the certificates for the belt test tonight, and I'll show you guys that. Here are all of our belts. Everybody who's testing, the highest person or highest 2 people are going up to green belt. We've got, I think, 1 orange belt. These are little dragon belts. These are junior belts. And this is a little dragon belt. We've got a lot of people going to yellow also. So we've got a pretty good test this weekend. Good morning. It is now Saturday, so we've got our little dragon test, the junior test, and teen and adult went really well last night. I'm setting up for the little dragons, getting their boards ready, their belts ready, everything like that. We've got about 20 minutes until the test starts. It's now Wednesday, May 26th, and we just got done with classes. I'm closing up the school, but I wanted to show you guys that the battle ropes did come in. We're still trying to figure out where exactly to put them that they don't mess stuff up, because when, of course, you're like, you know, going with them, it's gonna get off any paint if it's on something that's painted, and it has to be kind of like a specific thing. So I have been able to like put them around the base of a Wave Master, and they've worked pretty well. And then if we take them outside, there's like a post, like a bollard outside, so we can put it around that, and I think it'll work pretty well out there. So I'm pretty excited about those. I will show you, it's right here. So they're just kind of crumpled up in the corner right now. But these are the battle ropes that we got. I wish I could have gotten it with red because that would have like matched the whole school, but they were a little bit more expensive to do red, and it's honestly wasn't that important. So we got it with the blue. I'm really excited for them. They work really well. So our fitness class starts next Wednesday, so exactly a week from today. So Louise and I are headed out tomorrow to go to Disney World for a much needed vacation. I hope you guys all have a great Memorial Day weekend. Hopefully you're doing something fun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.